Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my channel What If Islamic Reflection. My dear brothers and sisters, today I want you to close your eyes, breathe deeply and imagine something so profound, so life-changing that your heart trembles. Imagine the day of judgment and imagine that Allah, the Lord of all world, speaks to you directly. This is not a dream. This is not a story from someone else's life. This is you standing alone. And Allah, the one who created you, sustained you, saw every tear you cried and every sin you committed, is now speaking to you. The scene of the day of judgment, the Quran tells us, when the earth is shaken with its final earthquakes, and the earth discharges its burden, and man says, what is with it? That day, it will report its news, because your Lord has inspired it. Surah Az-Zalzala. The ground beneath your feet is trembling. The sky above is torn apart. The sun is brought near, so close that people are drowning in their own sweat. Some to their ankles, some to their knees, some to their chest, and some completely. You are barefoot, unclothed, and uncircumcised. Yet, you feel no shame because the terror of this day leaves no room for anything else. You hear the sound of billions of footsteps, the sobbing of humanity, the calls for help, and then the angels come, rows upon rows, majestic, silent, carrying the throne of Allah. The moment your name is called, suddenly a voice from the angels announces, so and so, son or daughter of so and so, come forward. It's your name. Your heart stops for a moment. You feel your knees weaken. You want to run to hide, but there is nowhere to hide. The Quran says, and every soul will come with it a driver and witness. Surah Kaf. Two angels stand beside you. One who has been with you your whole life, writing every deed, big and small, and the other to witness. So you standing before Allah, you are brought forward, and then it happens. Allah, the King of Kings, the most merciful, the all-knowing, addresses you. Your heart pounds in your chest. You remember every ayah you heard in this world, every khutbah, every moment you promised to change but didn't. My servant, the voice is unlike anything you have ever heard. More majestic than the ocean's roar, more beautiful than the sweetest melody, more powerful than thunder, and yet it pierces straight to your soul. Did I not give you life? Did I not give you health? Did I not give you wealth, safety and time? Did I not send you my words so you make know me? Did you think you wouldn't meet me? The angels present your scroll. It stretches as far as the eye can see. The Quran says, and the record of deeds will be placed, and you will see the criminals fearful of that within it. And they will say, oh wow, to us, what is this book that leaves nothing small or great except that it has enmerited it. Surah Al-Kahf. Every moment of your life is there. When you prayed in secret, when you gave a charity nobody knew about, when you smiled at someone and lifted their heart, and also when you gossiped, when you lied, when you hurt someone, when you turned away from prayer. Your conversation with Allah. If you were among those who sincerely tried to obey Him, Allah will speak words that will make you fall to your knees in gratitude. My servant, I have forgiven you today. Enter my paradise in peace. You will weep like never before. You will look up and see gates of unimaginable beauty opening for you. But if you neglected Him, mocked His commands, or lived as if you would never meet Him, the voice will change. My servant, my signs came to you, but you turned away. You preferred this world over the hereafter. Today, there is no refuge for you, and you will feel a darkness unlike anything you ever feel before. The reality of this meeting. The Prophet ﷺ said, "There is none among you, but his Lord will speak to him without any interpreter. It will be just you and Allah. No mother, no father, no friend, no lawyer, no excuses." The Quran says, "And fear a day when you will be returned to Allah, then every soul will be compensated for what it earned, and they will not be wronged." A final reflection. My dear brothers and sisters, that day is not far. We don't know if it's tomorrow or in 50 years, but it will come. If today Allah spoke to you directly, would you be able to answer Him without shame? Would you smile in hope or tremble in regret? The good news is the gates of repentance are still open. The night is still dark, the prayer mat still empty, the Quran still waiting for you to open it. You can still change right now. So prepare for the day when Allah will speak to you directly. Live every moment as if He is watching, because He is. Love Him, obey Him, seek His mercy, and you will hear the most beautiful words on that day. Enter my paradise, my servant. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If this reminder touched your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more reflections that will prepare your soul for the meeting with Allah. Thank you so much.